Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we are going to discuss that how you can see who saved your video. So basically when you go to your TikTok and you click on the share option, you would get a bunch of options, and among those options there is an option called save video. So now basically what it does is it downloads the video to your phone. So if you click on the share button, the save video option will pop up, and from there you can download the video basically to your phone. But the thing is, TikTok does not allow you to know that who downloaded or saved your video due to privacy issue, because that will exploit their privacy, those people who downloaded it. So there is no way you can find out that who saved your video from TikTok. So that's not possible. But if you still don't want people to save your video, then what you need to do is you need to head to your profile, and once you are on your profile, what you need to do is click on the three dashes on the top right corner, and after that go to settings and privacy. Once you click on setting and privacy, what will happen is all you need to do is scroll down, and then you'll find an option called privacy. Click on privacy, and after that if you scroll down you'll get an option called downloads. Now what you need to do is go to downloads and turn it off. You'll see a toggle switch there, turn it off. Mine is already off, so it's showing off, but here you can toggle it on or toggle it off. So basically this is how you can disable the download of your videos on TikTok. But there is no other way where you can find out that who downloaded your video from TikTok, because basically it's not possible, and TikTok does not allow people to see who downloaded their video. So that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.